I tried Osmose yesterday. I think it's the best synthesizer for cinematic music production. Today I'll tell you the 3 reasons I found why I want Osmose. When you hear a word, at least when I heard the word MPE, I was thinking of something like Seaboard Rise. The stuff there told me the Seaboard Rise is a totally different instrument, so you need a lot of practice. On the other hand, Osmose is an extension of a keyboard, so you can implement your keyboard techniques to Osmose. So it's well designed. It was playful and expressive even without practice. At first, I wanted it as a MIDI keyboard, like Seaboard Rise, you know. However, the synth presets were awesome. Thanks to the extended controls, it sounds alive. I think it's great for cinematic music production. The horizontal wiggling key control is nice, for sure. In addition, the depth affects the sound. Push the keys farther to get different character. They are alive till your fingers are away. There's also aftertouch, by the way. And moreover, the portamento was fun. You can control the speed of portamento, and I thought it was awesome. So, you know, that presets were well made for the Expressive controller. They are so inspiring. Every preset comes with macros and effects, so you can edit the sounds. So you can also enable portamento or arp. Actually, the arpeggiator is well programmed for the Expressive multidimensional control. As you press the key farther, the arp becomes faster. I enjoy the cinematic pulses and arps. I want to buy Osmose as soon as it's available in Japan. I will make sample packs as well as use it in my songs. My cinematic production will completely change. Thank you so much for watching. If you like music production tutorials or reviews, please subscribe to this channel. If you want my sample packs made from Osmose, please hit the like. Osmose is a unique synthesizer, but did you notice that my studio is also unique? Please watch this video to find out why my studio looks weird. That's it for today. See you in the next video. If you can dream it, you can purchase it. I could play it all day.